Hello, sir. My name is Ansu, and today I will discuss about my topic is GSM technology. GSM stands for Global System for Mobile Communication. It is a second generation cellular standard developed for data voice service and data delivery. It uses some modulations for data delivery, and it is a standard that is developed in 1918 by Nokia Motorola company. And it is the what is the goals of GSM. It has the some goals like supports international roaming and clear voice quality and frequency efficiency and low power handheld devices and easy of accessing network, and it has the international ISDN compatibility, and it consists of 1G and 2G technology. 1G technology, it is analog into the nature, but it has the only speech, but not the data services, and it is not support international roaming. And second generation, it is has the possibility in speech plus data services, and it is support international roaming. In 2001, the first commercial launch of 3G was done in the Japan. And 3G technology has the video conferencing, online games, surfing, and the many more services. And introduction, the purpose of global system for mobile communication. It is second generation cellular standard developed to cater voice service and data delivery using digital modulations. And it has the three services. First is teleservices, data services, and supplementary services. And teleservices, it include the mobile phones, emergency callings, include and data services include SMS, message, fax, voicemail, and electronic mail. Supplementary services, it is has the incoming and outgoing calls, call forwarding, call waiting, and conferencing. And what is the and it has the some advantage. First is communication, like communication is very easy, and mobile communication, wireless communication, support for voice and data services, and total mobility. It uh, it is the main advantage of total mobility. International access chip card enables use of access point of different providers, and worldwide connectivity, high capacity, and high transmission of the data rate. And now let's we discuss about the GSM architecture. In GSM architecture, it consists of the radio station subsystem, and RSS is consist of mobile station plus BSS. Mobile station, it is the receiver senders mobile, and BSS base station subsystem. In BSS, it has the base transceiver station plus and or the base station controller. In base transceiver station is manage the signals outgoing and incoming into the end network station subsystem is stands for the NSS. Its NSS consists of MSC, mobile station, mobile switching controller, and home location register, and digital location register, and operation and maintenance subsystem is OSS. OSS is consist of equipment identity register plus authentication. It is the architecture of the GSM. It is divided into the three parts. First is front, back, and the middle. In front is mobile station. Mobile station like any user's device like mobile phone, SIM, and many other devices maybe. And second is the base station subsystem. It consists of two components. First is BTS and second is BSC. BTS base transceiver station, and second is BSC base station controller. And the network subsystem. It consists of MSC, mobile switching center, VLR, equipment identity register, home location, and authenticity. It is the architecture of the GSM. Let's we discuss about the NSS. NSS has the MSC mobile switching center, home location register, and the digital location register, authentication center, equipment identity register, gateway, MSC. uh, let Mobile switching center. It is the part of NSS network station subsystem. It is included the GSM system for mobile switching. It is overall purpose in the same is that of any telephone exchange. The MSC has the three functions for processing, operations, and maintenance support. Networking, and home location register. Home location register is also a part of network station subsystem. It is manage the subscriber ID, current location, and the subscriber and authentication key and authentication functionality, mobile subscriber and roaming. Let's we talk about the digital location register. It is provide the local database for the subscriber where they are physically located within an area and home system. It is a local database and contains a copy of most of the data stored in home location register. It contains mobile status, location area, identity, and many more services. Authenticity Authentication Center. It is provide an authentication and encryption parameter for verification of subscriber identity. It ensures confidentiality of each cell. It is also a part of NSS network station subsystem. Let's we talk about EIR, Equipment Identity Register. EIR contains a centralized database for validating the International Mobile Equipment Identity (IMEI), and it contains of three lists. First is white list, black list, and gray list. White list contains those IMI which are known to have been assigned to valid MS equipment. Second is black. Black is the contents of IMEI of MS which have been reported stolen or which are to be denied service of some other reason. Second is the gray. And let's we talk about the RSS radio station subsystem. Management of the radio network and is controlled by the MSC. One MSC controls many radio subsystems. It consists of BSC and BTSC. Let's we talk about base station controller. Base station controller is control all the BTSs. Many BTSs is connected to the MSC. Controls one or more BTS, switches traffic and signals to from BTSs and MSC. Connects terrestrial circuits and channel on air. Controls handover performed by BTS. Based on receiver station BTS. What is the let's we discuss about the functionality of the BTS. Maintains air interface and minimize transmission problems. Paging information, radio level power control, BTS identification, ciphering and speech processing from speech to radio transmission. Call routing. There is the two types of call routing: call originating from mobile station and call termination to mobile station. It is the working of outgoing call. MS sends a dial number to the VSS. VSS sends dial number to the MSC, and MSC checks BLR if MS is allowed the request service. If through MSC ask VSS to allocate resource to a call, and then MSC routes the call to the GMSC. GMSC routes the call to the local exchange, and the let's we talk about the outgoing process. Mobile station sends dial number to the base station subsystem, and then after base station subsystem, dial number sent to the mobile switching center. Mobile switching center checks digital location register if mobile switcher is allowed to the requested services, and then he MS asked to the MSC basis to allocate resource to the call and incoming calls. Incoming calling a GSM subscriber, forwarding call to GSMSC, signal setup to HLR, request MS siren from VLR, forward responsible to MSC and GMSC, forward to call current and get current status of MSC. What is the future of GSM? It has the future of GSM. It consists of second generation. It is developed in second generation GSM 9.6 kb per second data rate, and a 2.5 generation future of the GSM. It is the high speed check switch data. The speed of data rate is 76.8 kb per second. The GPR is general packet radio services, and in the data rate is 14.4 into the 150.2 kb per second as enhanced data rate for GSM evaluation. Into the third range, third generation, it has the WCDMA, wide band CDMA, code division multiple access, and it has the data rate 0.348 to 2 MB per second. It is the all about the GSM. Thank you so much.